Are you tired of the standard title bar in your PyQt5 application? Want to create a custom title bar with your own buttons? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we will explore how to remove the default title bar and add your own unique buttons. I totally understand your frustration. Many developers face the challenge of customizing their application's appearance while maintaining functionality. You're not alone in this journey, and today we will tackle this issue together. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user is working on an open-source Markdown-supported note-taking application. They want to remove the title bar and replace it with a custom one featuring 2 buttons. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So what seems to be the issue? The user has tried different window flags, but is facing challenges with resizing and moving the window. This is a common hurdle when customizing PyQt5 applications, but don't worry, we'll find a solution. And stick around. At the end of this video, I will share a pro tip that will make your custom title bar even better. You won't want to miss it. To create a custom title bar in PyQt5, the user should first set the window flags to frameless. This allows for a borderless window, which is essential for adding custom buttons. Next, the user needs to implement mouse events to allow moving the window. This can be done by overriding the mouse press, move, and release events. Now, the user should create custom buttons for minimizing and closing the window. These buttons can be added to the layout of the main window. Finally, the user should define the functionality for the custom buttons. For example, the minimize button should minimize the window, and the close button should close it. Fun fact, did you know that the first graphical user interfaces were developed in the 1970s? We've come a long way since then, and customizing your application is just one of the many ways to make it stand out. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests refining the custom title bar implementation. The user points out issues with using set geometry and recommends simplifying the moving code. They emphasize that buttons should not accept focus and that the title should not be added to the layout. Instead, they propose using contents margins for better layout management. The user provides a revised code example that creates a custom title bar class. This class handles button actions and updates the title dynamically. It also includes proper handling for maximizing and minimizing the window, ensuring a smoother user experience. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative approach for implementing a custom title bar in PyQt5 or PySide6 involves modifying mouse event handling. The user suggests adding a mouse press event to capture the position of the mouse when clicked, and a mouse move event to move the window based on the mouse's global position. The user also notes that this method may not work with the Wayland display server, and encourages others to share solutions if they have them. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always test your custom title bar on different screen sizes to ensure it looks great everywhere. This small step can make a big difference in user experience. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom title bar in your PyQt5 application. Remember, customization is key to a great user experience. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.